Fresh air plays an important role in creating a comfortable and healthy home. In Washington residences, where weather conditions can shift quickly and humidity levels vary, having control over airflow is especially valuable. Casement windows are well known for their ability to provide precise ventilation and dependable sealing. For homeowners across Washington, casement windows offer an effective way to improve airflow control while maintaining comfort year-round. Designed for maximum ventilation, casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward, allowing the entire window area to be used for ventilation. Unlike some window styles that only open partway, casement windows create a wide opening that encourages fresh air to flow inside. In Washington homes, this design makes it easy to quickly refresh indoor air, especially during mild weather when natural ventilation is preferred. Capturing breezes more effectively because casement windows open outward, they can act like a scoop that captures passing breezes. When positioned correctly, they direct airflow into the home rather than letting it pass by. For Washington residences, this feature allows homeowners to take advantage of natural wind patterns to improve indoor air circulation. Controlling airflow direction and volume, casement windows provide precise control over how much air enters the home. Homeowners can open them slightly for gentle ventilation or fully for stronger airflow. In Washington homes, this flexibility is helpful during changing seasons when temperatures fluctuate throughout the day. Supporting better indoor air quality, proper airflow helps reduce indoor pollutants, stale air, and excess moisture. Casement windows make it easy to exchange indoor air with fresh outdoor air when conditions allow. For Washington residents, improved airflow supports healthier indoor environments, especially in high-use spaces like kitchens and living areas. Reducing reliance on mechanical ventilation. When windows don't ventilate effectively, homeowners often rely more on fans or air conditioning. Casement windows provide natural ventilation that reduces this dependence. In Washington homes, this can lead to greater comfort and less strain on mechanical systems during mild weather. Tight seals when closed. While casement windows excel at ventilation when open, they also provide excellent sealing when closed. The design presses the sash tightly against the frame, minimizing air leakage. For Washington homeowners, this means airflow is controlled on their terms, open when fresh air is desired, sealed when outdoor conditions are unfavorable. Ideal for multiple rooms and layouts, casement windows work well in various rooms, including bedrooms, kitchens, and living spaces. Their crank operation also makes them easy to open in hard-to-reach areas. In Washington residences, this versatility allows homeowners to improve airflow throughout the home. Managing moisture and comfort in areas where moisture is a concern, controlled ventilation helps regulate indoor humidity levels. Casement windows allow Washington homeowners to ventilate without leaving windows wide open, supporting comfort while managing moisture effectively. Pairing with other window styles, casement windows are often paired with fixed windows to maximize light while maintaining ventilation options. In Washington homes, this combination enhances airflow control without sacrificing design or natural light. Professional installation enhances performance. To deliver effective airflow control, casement windows must be installed correctly. Proper alignment ensures smooth operation and reliable sealing. For Washington homeowners, professional installation ensures casement windows perform as intended and provide long-lasting benefits. A smarter way to control airflow in Washington homes. Casement windows offer homeowners greater control over ventilation and comfort. Their ability to capture breezes, adjust airflow, and seal tightly when closed makes them an excellent choice for Washington residences. By improving airflow control naturally and efficiently, casement windows help create healthier, more comfortable living spaces throughout the home.